Man, it's bright out here. Summertime, time to get off that computer and do some yard work. So I thought I'd do a review on this Craftsman 4-cycle 32cc weed eater I got. I'm using it for quite some time. I'm going to tell you the things I like what I don't like. First thing you're going to notice if you use a 2-cycle is quite a bit heavier. You'll notice it's probably about 2 pounds more, and you will notice, but you'll get used to it. It does have a foam filter, so that's plus. Nice size gas tank there. It does have the speed start, and has a nice little side glass on the oiler here, and you can see max fill about halfway. Don't go over that, so that's pretty cool. The starter, it's not real positive. You got to make sure when you're starting it, it's caught up and before you pull it. And it has these little plastic paws, not like the other 2-stroke I had that were steel, pressed steel. These are plastic, and I've already had them break, but they do sell the paw kit for like $6 plus shipping. And you just got to make sure when you pull it that it's caught before you fully pull it. It's just not real positive, and I think the design was made because of the speed start. But other than that, you know, I don't know why they made those little things out of plastic, but you know, pretty good. Got a good grip on it. Controls. Got this handle thing here, ain't bad. You can swivel it around, set it where you want it. It's got the universal attach system. You can unscrew that and put your other attachments like a blower or the hedge trimmer. And then for the string, it comes with the 0.133, and if you use the thin like the 0.080, it just wears through it too quick, and it seems like you got to run it higher to do the job. And this is the 155 I got on here now. It does fit a little tight, but it lasts a lot longer. And this is the quick where you just slide it through. It loops around, and you slide it in that. It comes out that way, and it comes out that way. There's no bumper thing. You just stick the string and go. And one of these, it's about 21 inches. That's the way I cut it. And just line it up in the middle, and it'll last probably good front size yard. I got a corner yard, so one of these will do the front and almost do the back. This thing, it's got a guard on it. It's kind of wide, and it does get in the way when you're doing the fences, and so I made this other bracket and pushed it back. It usually was up here, but I made this other bracket and pushed it back a little bit because it's just so wide that when you're doing fences or something like that, it gets in the way. But other than that, it's pretty nice. There's the little oiler. It's got a little side glass. Keep an eye on your oil. I usually change it every 4 or 5 uses. It only takes a little bit of oil. It says right here 60 milliliter, I think that is, ml. And another thing, if you can see this piece of tin, I put this piece of tin in here. You see that tin? Because it gets, the airflow flows through here, but nothing is divided right here. You can see that it's divided with a piece of plastic here and this metal thing here on the muffler, and there's no airflow right here on the muffler. And if you can see that sticker, how bubbly it gets, because this top gets extremely hot, and if you touch it with your forearm, it will burn the crap out of you. And what I did, I stuck a piece of tin in there and doubled it over to you see it right in there. to kind of give it a heat shield, because this plastic on top here, man, I mean, it gets hot. You can see how the sticker gets bubbled up. But other than that, and this paw kit messing up every once in a while, it's not real positive. And if one of them catches and the other one doesn't, and you pull it, it'll slip over and bust one of them. So that's the only problem that it really has, is this thing gets really hot, and the paw catch is not the greatest in the world. But other than that, it's got the clutch on it. And I guess go ahead and start it so y'all can hear it, because that's probably what you're waiting for. Okay, hopefully I got the camera lined up. Okay, this is a cold start. Put the choke all the way that way. And hopefully I got the camera lined up, got that thing strapped to my head. And now you gotta kind of catch it, make sure it's caught in there. Pump this 10 times. That was not on choke. That's choke. I didn't start it on choke. Let it warm up a little bit. That works pretty good. That's 6 string. Pretty good little mower. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. That was the review on this thing. Other than the paw catch messing up every once in a while, it's just not real positive. And this thing getting hot right here. Hopefully this little shield that I put in here, a little piece of tin that I folded over, will help that. Other than those two problems, got no other complaints about it. Runs real good. Starts, as you see, didn't even have it on choke. Hot day, just cranked it right up. And on the shield back here, they could have moved it back or made it a little bit smaller, and that would have been better. It's just kind of wide and gets in the way when you're trying to do in between the fences and that stuff. But not a bad little weed eater. Craftsman weed whacker. That was the 4-cycle 32cc model 73 193. Okie doke.